गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा. श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Have you ever talked to a black box? Have you ever talked to somebody who does not respond? Have you ever spoken to people whose expression you cannot see? Yes, our teachers are doing the same. They are doing it on a daily basis. And at this age, they are learning technology so that they can make our futures bright. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out your time to do that. Happy Teachers' Day.
IFT is very different. The faculty and professors are approachable for any problems that we face and also have experience and expertise in their domain of study. Also, in classes, there are case study discussions that happen which enable the class participation as well.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the professors at IFT Delhi. I consider myself very fortunate to have been taught by you all, and thank you for being so patient with us.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the professors of IFT. I'm very thankful for the kind of teachers that I've got here in IFT, and I'm very thankful for the kind of knowledge that I've got from you. Thank you for working so selflessly and so dedicatedly, and for solving our really silly doubts and mistakes with utmost patience. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Thank you.
Good morning. I, K. Pranesh from batch of 2022, would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the faculty members of IIFT who are taking great efforts to make this online learning experience a splendid one. I think it's the quality of a great teacher who would be able to impart knowledge irrespective of the medium being online or offline, and the online interactions were really encouraging and engaging. I personally felt that teachers have come home to teach me management, and I really look forward to the day I can physically come on campus and personally thank them.
A teacher is the one who holds a hand, who opens a mind, and who touches a heart. Truly, all the faculties of IIFT has touched all our hearts. They have never let us understand the distance, even in these trying times. I think thank you is a very small word to truly express what they mean for us. Yet I have nothing more to say than a big, big thank you.
I wish the entire faculty at IIFT a very happy Teachers' Day. I am so honored and I feel so privileged to be taught by each one of you. The kind of love, the kind of passion, and the kind of grit that you bring with you for your subject every single day to class, I think that's just it's just inspiring, and I wish to emulate that in my life every single day. And I hope you were on campus celebrating this day with you today, but I think that's going to happen sooner or later. So until then, I hope you stay safe and I hope you have a brilliant and a beautiful day. That's it.
Hello professors. I know that the batch of 22 hasn't had the chance to meet you all in person, but having said that, I want to say that the batch of 22 has utmost respect for all that you have done for us and all that you keep doing for us, and we hope to keep receiving your blessings. A very, very, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Hi, I'm Amal K. Vinod from the batch of 22. I want to take this opportunity to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. This is the first time all of us are living a completely virtual experience, and I want to express my sincere gratitude to all my teachers for doing a wonderful job in making this learning experience the closest to normal classes. Thank you.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers at IFT. Thank you for being patient with us and enabling us to learn the most difficult subjects with utmost ease.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards all the teachers at IFT. It is a great experience to learn from you all. Thank you for making such a positive environment during the online classes. Happy Teachers Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the professors at IFT Delhi. Thank you so much for taking up online classes so quickly and coming every day on time and teaching us. Thank you from all of us.
Greetings everyone, I'm Annabelle Yonzon, Section A from the batch of 2022.
I'm Prashant Bhange, Section B from the batch of 2022.
I'm Kirti Mahajan from Section C, batch of 2022.
I am Chetan Singh from Section D from the batch of 2022.
On this auspicious day, I would like to take this moment to extend our most heartfelt gratitude to all the faculty members at IIFT.
Despite being in online mode, you have taken great efforts to teach us, and we would like to thank you for that.
As it rightly said, in these unprecedented times, the unprecedented steps are to be taken which shapes our future. We thank all our faculties for guiding and shaping our future in these unprecedented times.
On behalf of batch of 2022, I would like to extend my gratitude, and I would like to thank each and every faculty to help us get through all these difficult times. We cannot wait for the campus to reopen and meet you all personally. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.